Ankara-Style lamb and pasta. Thinly slice 1 medium onion, then cut the 4 green peppers in half, remove the seeds and slice finely. Dice the lamb, then peel and dice the 2 tomatoes. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a saucepan. Add the onions and sauté for 2 minutes. Add the cubed meat to the onions and continue to sauté for 7 to 8 minutes. Then add the chopped peppers and tomatoes and stir all the ingredients together. Add 1,200 millilitres of hot water and 1 teaspoon of salt, and then place the lid on the pan. Leave the food cooking over medium heat for about 30 minutes until the meat is tender. In a separate pan, heat 4 tablespoons of sunflower oil. Add 200 grams of pasta and sauté for about 5 to 6 minutes until it begins to brown. About 10 minutes before the lamb is ready, stir in the pasta and then replace the pan lid. When the water has been completely absorbed by the pasta, the dish is ready to serve. Make sure to serve up while the food is still nice and hot.